The access to Serene's gate. Pavement being taken place. This is a 12-meter main road. So it's a wall-to-wall 4.5 acres land parcel. On your right here will be all the amenities lined up. Swing park, wall climbing sandpit, amphitheater, outdoor gym, senior citizen sitting area, and an overhead tank 67,000 litre. Dead end, U-turn. This is Villa Lane 1. Towards here you will have all the villas. The landscape area in front of your villa. Model villa construction. 12-meter main road. Electrical conduits. Villas. This is Villa Lane 2. Same concrete roads. This is North Park, line of amenities. EV charging stations. Villa Lane 3. That's the main entrance. Villa Lane 3. Development of the North Park. Security desk. Straight ahead in that tree, single tree, this portion is clubhouse area. This is 15-meter main road. That is 50 feet main road. Here will be a half dribble court, cricket pitch for practice, skating rink and sand volleyball. This is where Serene's second entry exit is, and this is the existing road. It's a 9-meter main road which you can access and go towards Devanahalli town. You will take this left, continue straight, right, Devanahalli town. This is second entry exit of Serene, the back entrance. 15-meter main road. Amenities on the right. Clubhouse comes here. You take a left. It's a 12-meter main road. Welcome to Hospital.